ladies and gentlemen, and all feathered friends tuning in. Welcome to the UnWrap Show. Today, we are unboxing something truly special. It's a book, and not just any book, it's Flock Island, The Secret of Featherville. A beautifully illustrated children's story about Carrie Cockatoo and his bird friends on an island paradise.
Fascinating. A sanctuary filled with thousands of tropical birds, each with their own stories, personalities, and possibly feathery drama.
Ooh, yes. Feathery drama is the best kind of drama. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's go live to our human assistant for the grand unveiling. Okay, moment of truth. And wow, look at that cover!
Indeed, a magnificent blue-feathered cockatoo, a tropical paradise, and a sense of whimsy that even my digital circuits find delightful.
And look at all those illustrations. Vibrant, colorful, practically flapping off the page.
Highly detailed, expressive, and based on my calculations, capable of capturing the imagination of children and adults alike.
It's a story about community, adventure, and finding your flock. Something we can all relate to. Carrie Cockatoo flapped his wings and called out to his friends. Wait, are we part of his flock now?
Unlikely. However, if Carrie is forming a journalistic bird-led news network, I would consider a contributing role.
Oh, Beata, always thinking like a cyborg. But the real magic here is that kids can immerse themselves in a world full of colorful birds, friendship, and adventure.
And they will learn about bird species, teamwork, and the importance of caring for nature, all while enjoying a delightful story.
Final thoughts. This book is a must-have for kids, parents, teachers, and any bird lover who dreams of flying away on a tropical adventure.
It is charming, beautifully illustrated, and most importantly, a celebration of community and belonging.
We give Flock Island, The Secret of Featherville, a full-feathered 5 out of 5 flaps.
Scientifically accurate. 5 flaps indeed.
That wraps up this episode of the UnWrap Show. Like, subscribe, and let us know, what should we unwrap next?
Until then, keep your wings spread and your books open.
Ooh, yes! Feathery drama is the best kind of drama.
Highly detailed, expressive, based on my calculations.
Here we go, the UnWrap Show. Here we go, the UnWrap Show. Here we go.
Good evening, product lovers.